Guys, welcome back to our mini-series about making the perfect poutine. So we already make the perfect chicken gravy and beef gravy, and then we made three kind of perfect fries, and also we made our homemade cheese curds. So now let's assemble all this together and make a very delicious poutine.
As you already saw, we will be doing three kinds of poutine today. So let's start with the basic one. When you're doing a recipe with only 3 ingredients, those ingredients need to be at the best of the best. Here we have our very crispy French fries with the delicious homemade cheese curd. As you can see, I made 2 layers of fries and cheese curd, and on top we have our chicken gravy. Now let's do something a little bit more elaborated. Here I'm using a duck confit in his own fat, and I will do a video a little bit later to show you how to make this. It's incredibly good. Pull all the meat of the duck legs and keep 1 drumstick intact for presentation. For this recipe, I will be using a sweet potato French fries like we did in the last episode. And don't worry, I will put a link of all the episode about the perfect poutine in the description below. And again, here we will be doing 2 layers of fries of cheese curd and of duck. And I will be using a blue cheese, which will be incredible with this. To crown this beautiful poutine, put the duck drumstick on top of it and surround it with confit cranberry sauce we made in a previous episode. The sweetness of the sauce will help to cut on the saltiness and the fat in this poutine, and of course pour a healthy portion of the chicken gravy. And if it can help you have a clean conscience, you can put some greens on top of it to make you believe it's healthy. And for the third and the last poutine we are doing today, we will do a delicious Wagyu poutine with a minimalist restaurant style presentation. This one is by far my favorite. What I am doing here is putting the cheese curd in hot water so I can reshape it to have a different kind of presentation. Let it cool down and we'll work on this a little bit later. And now the star of the show, American Wagyu strip loin. You want to salt both sides for at least 2 hours before cooking it, and if you can, do it overnight. I am cutting this Wagyu steak into a rectangular shape. In a hot cast iron pan, put the fat side down and let the fat melt. When you have enough fat in the cast iron pan, sear the steak on the 4 sides. When all sides are seared, lower to medium heat, and it's time to add the butter, the garlic, the thyme, the rosemary, and baste those steak until they get a medium rare. Now let those Wagyu steak rest for 5 to 10 minutes in its own juice. Now it's time to work on the cheese curd brick we made earlier and to cut it on the same size as the potato and as the Wagyu steak. Like I said before, we are doing a nice minimalist restaurant style presentation, and we will be using the beef gravy we made in the past episode. It's beautiful.
Alright guys, so all those videos about making the perfect poutine at home paid off. So we made a classic poutine. Here we have a confit duck with the cranberries, and here we made a fancy poutine with the Wagyu steak. So I hope you guys enjoyed those episodes. If so, please leave a like to the video. It makes a huge difference. And see you in the next episode.